Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your SSO account and subscription. This ensures permissions are valid. Once done, download or update the Wildwoods SSO client so files match server expectations. Make sure to enable required ports and temporarily check firewall rules. This prevents connection blocks. If you use a VPN, disable it for initial login because regional routing can interfere. Finally, prepare login credentials and any two-step verification codes so you can move straight into the next stage without delays. You run the client with elevated permissions to avoid file write errors, and then select the Wildwoods server. Pick the region nearest you to lower ping. Once selected, let the launcher verify game files. This repairs mismatches automatically. Next, configure graphics and input settings now so you won't need to relog for adjustments. If mods are present, move them to a backup folder. Corrupted mods often cause crashes. Finally, click play and watch the launcher finish any remaining downloads before entering. You complete character selection and accept server messages, then wait for the seamless handoff into Wildwoods. Once in, verify latency and test movement. If controls feel laggy, adjust input smoothing or reduce graphics. If the client fails to connect, clear the cache and reset the launcher settings. This resolves most corrupt state issues. Make sure to re-enable any antivirus settings you changed. If problems persist, capture the exact error text and network logs before seeking further support. That detail speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.